Are you anxious as you step into a new phase of your education? If being an architect is what you want, then come on in without fear or anxiety. We have what you need to learn and grow in the field you love. Started in 2014 under the guidance and inspiration of Dr. G.P.C. Nair, the SCMS School of Architecture, or SSA, has grown to be a leader amongst architecture schools in Kerala. With a 25-acre lush green campus shared with the SCMS School of Engineering and Technology, SSA is equipped with modern classrooms, computer labs, and design studios, providing you with an immersive learning experience. Our facilities are designed to promote collaboration, creativity, and experimentation, allowing you to explore your ideas and bring your visions to life. The library is equipped with more than 3,000 books and a multitude of international and national journals. It is the ideal cradle for you to gain knowledge, collaborate, and research on the built environment. And a look at the accolades that the SSA and her students have achieved shows you why the institution is held in great renown. With 27 awards and achievements in just the last year, including the IIA Medal for Best Outgoing Student and 2 Council of Architecture Student Awards for Architectural Thesis, we offer you a chance to showcase your excellence to the nation. Comprised of experienced architects and designers, the faculty of the SSA are holders of several awards, including the HUDCO Design Awards, the Intac Heritage Award for 2023, the IIA Awards, and the International Monsoon Architecture Awards. The faculty at SSA bring passion and experience to their classrooms. Whether you are interested in urban design, sustainable architecture, or historic preservation, our faculty will provide you with the knowledge and guidance you need to excel. Affiliated to the Mahatma Gandhi University and approved by the Council of Architecture, our program is designed to nurture the creativity within you while providing a comprehensive education in the field of architecture. Our curriculum covers everything from design theory and construction technology to sustainability and project management, ensuring that you are a well-rounded professional with the ability to think critically and creatively. At SSA, you will see that learning is about more than just academics. We offer a vibrant campus life with a wide range of study tours, extracurricular activities, and opportunities for you to get involved in the community. Whether you are interested in sports, music, performing arts, or volunteering, look no further. The SCMS School of Architecture is here to fire your passion for architecture and design, with a focus on holistic learning at a class-leading institution. See yourself take off at the SCMS School of Architecture.